What is the pH of 0.008 molarity of H2SO4? For H2SO4, H2SO4 gives us 2H plus SO4 minus 2. pH is equals to minus log of concentration of H plus. The concentration of H plus is equal to subscript of H plus and molarity. Here subscript of H plus is equals to 2 and molarity is equals to 0.008. So concentration of H plus is equals to 2 into 0.008, that equals to 0.016. So pH is equals to minus log of 0.016, that equals to minus of minus 1.79, that equals to 1.79, that equals to 1.8. So pH is equals to 1.8. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon.